Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on chainsaw carving a custom order. We're going to be carving up this bear right here with the chainsaws. Now it does have a special sign here that I'm not going to share till the end of the video. So yeah, you guys are going to have to watch for that. But you guys have to watch. Let me know what you guys think of this carving. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave me a comment. And let's start making some sawdust. Hey guys, just wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you guys about liquid biocell. This is some stuff made by a company called Modere. This is their sport formula. If you do a lot of physical labor, if you're running chainsaws, rolling logs, doing anything really physical, and you're getting up over that age of 25, you wake up in the morning, your joints are stiff, your muscles are sore, this right here, this is the stuff for you. I take this stuff twice a day. It's not bad. All you really need is a shot glass worth and you're good to go. Now, if you guys want to see more about this Modere Sport Liquid Biocell, be sure to check out the link down below. And if you guys click and shop through that link, you get $10 off your first order. I really do recommend it for those of you who are just starting to carve, or maybe you've been carving. I'm telling you, this stuff is going to help you stay active, keep working, and not have those sore joints and muscles in the morning the next day. Check it out, guys. Hope you enjoy the video.
Well guys, here it is, that chainsaw carved bear with a sign. You guys can see that sign all done, hand painted. Really cool, custom ordered piece. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit subscribe. And you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on those YouTube notifications. And hope you guys have an awesome day. Check out some videos popping up. I'll see you guys next time.